Hello and welcome to the first in a series of videos that are designed to help you navigate your way around OneFile. My name is Michael Walby and I'm a skills and development coach here at First Intuition. In this first video, we'll look at how to log into OneFile and give you an orientation around the dashboard, which is the main screen that you will be taken to upon logging in to OneFile for the first time. OneFile is your electronic learning and development journal. So it tracks your knowledge, your skills and your behaviours in relation to the apprenticeship standard that you are working towards completing. Now you can use OneFile to view your progress towards completing the requirements of your apprenticeship standard, as well as submit evidence of your development on a monthly basis or more frequently if you desire. You can also submit timesheet entries for your off-the-job learning, helping you towards your 20% target. And you can also communicate directly with your skills and development coach. Now you will have received an email from your skills and development coach with your login ID and initial password for OneFile, along with a link to take you to the login page. So let's now look at how to log in to OneFile. On the screen in front of you, you'll see the landing page that you'll be taken to when you click on the link. And you'll see that there's an opportunity to enter your username and password. Please make sure that when you're doing this that the tab ePortfolio is selected, as that's the section of OneFile that we'll be using. So go ahead and type in your username and password and then click on Login. And once you do that, it'll take you through to the dashboard. So I'll meet you there and we'll go through the next steps in the process. Okay, so here we are. This is the dashboard at OneFile, which is your main entry point into all the different functions that you'll be using during your time on the program. I'll give you a quick tour of the dashboard so you can see the different areas and how they're used. So let's start with the left-hand side, and you can see that there is a list here of different headings, and these represent the key sections of OneFile, some of which we'll be using and demonstrating in the following videos. On the right-hand side at the top, you should see your name, which demonstrates the person who's logged into this OneFile account, along with your title of being an apprentice. The first thing you may notice on your dashboard is a list of the modules that you're working towards with your program. Underneath that, you'll see a series of tiles. This demonstrates your overall progress towards meeting the targets on the program. A calendar which would show any events that you have scheduled in OneFile, and also a summary of any tasks that are due. And we'll look at tasks in more detail in a subsequent video. You also have a series of tiles here which take you through to important sections of OneFile, very much like the list on the left-hand side. So we have a tab here for My Portfolio, which is an area of OneFile that you will use regularly, and we'll talk about that in a subsequent video. You can quickly upload evidence using this tile. You can check your messages, and you can check outstanding tasks, and indeed any resources that you have stored on your OneFile account. If you're happy with the information in this video, then you can progress on to the next one, where we'll look at how to change your password and update your profile details.